All right, we've got sort of a word problem here. We've got an equilateral triangle, ABC, has an altitude of 8 centimeters. Well, the altitude is its height. So let's start by drawing it. So I'm going to make an equilateral triangle, so I want all my legs to be about the same length. That seems sort of the same length to me. All right, so if they're all the same length, then I know that those are the same length. This is going to be the same length also. If I put in a height, let me try that again. Why is my shift key not working? There we go. All right, so now I know that these angles would have all been 60. So this angle up here must be 30. My altitude is 8. And what I want to know is this side. So I know my angles, and I know one side and one x value. So my hypotenuse is x. If I use angle 30, this is adjacent. If I use angle 60, it's opposite. So I could say that sine of 60 is opposite over hypotenuse, or I could say that cosine of 30 is adjacent over hypotenuse. So either one of those ratios we could set up. So if I'm going to solve this, I could put sine of 60 into my calculator. So let's clear this off. So if I do sine of 60, then I get 0.866. So 0.866 dot dot dot. And I'm putting the dot 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 there to show that I'm not using a rounded answer. I'm going to use all those numbers in my calculator. If I want to solve this, I can multiply both sides by x. So my x's will cancel on this side, and I'll have 0.866 dot 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 x equals 8. My x is canceled. And now I'm going to divide both sides by my 0.866 dot dot dot, 0.866 dot dot dot. So now that cancels, and I get that x is equal, so 8 divided by this value, about 9.24. So I shouldn't say equal because it's not exact. It's a rounded answer, so it's about 9.24 centimeters. If I had solved using cosine, I would have gotten the same answer.